today, the Haryana Chief Minister has cleared a 20-day parole for Ram Rahim, convicted for rape and murder. It's official. Ram Rahim will walk out of jail tomorrow. The Dera chief has got parole for 11th time. Sources though are saying that it's been made clear that Ram Rahim cannot visit poll-bound Haryana. As per the court order, and the EC has made it clear he cannot campaign or be in Haryana. But the question arises, why does he keep getting parole? This is not the first time he's got it. It's a record 11th time. And many believe whether the Dera Sacha Sauda chief deserves to get parole or not. Or is this all being used with an eye on the elections? Let's take a look at this story.
A convicted rapist and a murderer, a powerful godman, sentenced to 20 years in prison for his crimes. The Dera Sacha Sauda chief, Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh, is set to walk out of jail again. This time, it's ahead of the Haryana elections. His parole plea has been approved by the Election Commission. It's his 11th parole stint in the last 4 years, totaling over 270 days. A shocking 20% of his sentence spent out of jail on parole. The reasons are clear to see. Wielding great influence in Haryana and in Punjab, Gurmeet Ram Rahim's furlough and parole have consistently coincided with elections, be it municipal bodies or state assemblies. In a letter to the Election Commission, the Congress has objected to the latest parole, citing his influence in Haryana, which could be misused ahead of elections. The Election Commission has stipulated that Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh cannot enter Haryana or campaign in any form, including on social media. But the opposition is skeptical.
देखिए, हमारे लीगल सेल ने जो लेटर लिखी थी उसमें ये कहा गया कि कहीं ना कहीं जिस तरह से राम रहीम को जो पैरोल देने की बात है उसमें उसकी डेट एंड टाइम का जो है वो मामला है, क्योंकि इलेक्शन से साथ साथ जो उसको पैरोल देने की बात करी गई है वो कहीं ना कहीं वोटर को इन्फ्लुएंस करने की जो बात है इसके बारे में कहा गया है.
The BJP says parole has been granted as per rules, challenging the Congress to change the law if they can.
वो पैरोल के नियम है, नियमों के मुताबिक ही दी होगी. पक्ष सवाल उठा रहा है तो नियमों को तब्दील करवा दे.
For arguably India's most powerful convict, that too convicted of murder and rape. It's clear that electoral compulsions trump not just morality, but even the spirit of the law and also the sentiments of victims of crimes across the country. Soon, his latest vacation from jail will begin. With Manjeet Sehgal and Kamaljeet Sandhu in Chandigarh, Bureau Report, India Today.